Hey there everybody, welcome to the video today. Are you struggling with getting the sound on your instrument that you've always wanted? Well, I've got an exercise for you today that's going to make all of that happen for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that way you're getting all of my future content. Let's get right to the video today so that I can help you. So basically this exercise that you're going to do today is a long tone exercise. And this long tone exercise is made specifically to really help you to hone in and play in tune and play all of your notes the best you've ever played them. I notice with myself and all of my students, within a month, you're going to start to notice a big change in your sound. So what do you do with the exercise? We're going to use your B-flat concert scale. And if we look at the alto sax part, which I'll play today, it's a chromatic exercise. So we're going to start with high G, and then we're going to go down to F sharp, and then we're going to do high G, and we're going to go to F natural, and then we'll do high G, and we'll go to E natural. And then we're going to go to a G, to an E flat. And as you see, we'll keep going down through. And it's basically, we have to think about all of the sounds before we make those sounds on the instrument. So I'm thinking about how that high G is supposed to sound. And then before I play the F sharp, I'm thinking, how does that F sharp sound? So I want to be getting those sounds in my head before I ever make them come out of my instrument. And then when I come back to the G, I want to think about how that G is supposed to sound before I play it. And then when I'm going to the F natural, I'm thinking, how does that F natural sound? So when you're playing on your instrument, you want to make sure you're always thinking ahead to how that note is supposed to sound, and you're supposed to hear that in your head. That way you're getting an idea of how the notes are supposed to sound in your head, so you're improving your ear training. And then we're also getting our embouchure right so that we can get all the notes out correctly and make them sound as good as we can. And we don't want to bite down in the middle of our embouchure. We want to make sure that all around, the muscles all around, we're tightening those and we're firming those up. But we always stay relaxed in the middle. And if you're playing a reed instrument like I am, you don't want to tuck your bottom lip all the way over your bottom teeth either. You want to keep that bottom lip nice and squishy, and you want it just to rest on your bottom teeth. So let's play through a little bit of this exercise, starting at the beginning. I'm going to take a break right here, and I want to make sure that I point out that you want to count this slow. So you notice I was doing this slowly. Try to go for about 60 beats per minute. That's what you're doing. You're trying to go slow. You're really thinking about these muscles in your embouchure. You're thinking about pushing all of the air out and supporting that tone. Thinking about the notes before you ever do them. You're going to continue this at least 2 notes worth, so the G and the F sharp. You can go farther, but you want to make sure that you're feeling right around here that's getting fatigued, it's getting tired. Because that's the whole idea here. You may not sound like $1,000,000 doing this every single time. That's not the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to strengthen up these muscles, and it's going to allow you to sound better down the road. So you do this exercise slow. Think about the notes as you're playing them, what they're supposed to sound like as you're going to the next note. Make sure you're going nice and slow. Don't worry about, if you make a squeak or a squawk or something doesn't come out quite right. That's not the objective here. The objective is that you're fatiguing these muscles and you're not squeezing. You're not changing your embouchure. You're making those tired. And if you feel like it's getting too tired at the beginning, well, then take a break. It's better to take a break than to squeeze or change your embouchure so that it's not doing what it's supposed to. We want these muscles fatigued, but we don't want it to the point where you're developing bad habits. So maybe you do 1 or 2 notes and you take a break. So today's video was about long tones and how they can help you to improve your tone on your instrument and how you can strengthen your embouchure by doing these. If you do them consistently, it's going to make a huge difference in the way you sound on your instrument. And isn't that what we're kind of after? Everybody wants to have a great sound, so when people listen to you, they can really enjoy what you're doing. If you like the content today, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get all my future content. In the comments below, let me know if there's an exercise you do that you find works for you to get the best possible tone. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video.